Here's a quick update on the Supermoto build that I've been doing. So this is what it looks like with the other tires on it for the street. This tail light and everything, and I actually went out and got it registered today. So now it's actually legal to drive on the road. And temporarily I put this little white light for my license plates, just a flashlight, clipped it onto the exhaust. It's not coming off or anything. Eventually I'll wire up a little light bar right on there at the top of the plate. But for now that should work. But yeah, anyway, I kind of like the look with those street tires on it. Obviously I went with dual sport tires so that I can still go cruise on the trail or whatever if I want to, but I'm really loving the stealth look of this kit, how you can't really tell that it's street legal until you sit and look at it for a minute. But I just got back, took it for a little rip to I took it to my work, and I drove it back to my storage unit, and anyway, it worked good. These little white LEDs on the turn signals actually light up the ground around it pretty good when it's outside in the dark. And those headlights are pretty bright. I need to aim them down a little bit. Sadly, to do that I need to actually bend my bracket here. I mean, there's literally a little tab of plastic right there on the plastic for the, what do you call it, the shroud here. And so I just mounted it directly to that. I mean, they're sturdy, but I do need to bend that bracket a little bit downward, or figure out some way to flip the bracket around or do something with it so that the headlights aren't pointed so straight up. I need them to be down on the road a little bit more, but yeah, that's about it. So far so good. It rides nice. It's a lot of fun.